Avocados are a popular and nutritious fruit that are packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. They are often touted as a superfood, and for good reason. Avocados can help improve heart health, reduce the risk of cancer, and boost brain function. However, not everyone can enjoy avocados. In fact, there are 6 groups of people who should limit or avoid avocados altogether. Body. 1. Mothers who are breastfeeding. Avocados are a good source of fiber, which can help to keep mothers who are breastfeeding regular. However, too much fiber can also reduce milk production. Therefore, mothers who are breastfeeding should limit their intake of avocados to 1/2 of a fruit per day. 2. People with digestive problems. Avocados are a good source of insoluble fiber, which can be difficult to digest. People with digestive problems, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, may experience bloating, gas, or diarrhea after eating avocados. If you have digestive problems, it is best to avoid avocados or eat them in moderation. 3. People with avocado allergies. Avocado allergies are rare, but they can be serious. Symptoms of an avocado allergy can include itching, swelling, hives, and difficulty breathing. If you experience any of these symptoms after eating avocados, seek medical attention immediately. 4. People with liver disease. Avocados contain a compound called persin, which can be toxic to the liver. People with liver disease should avoid avocados or eat them in moderation. 5. People taking certain medications. Avocados can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and cholesterol-lowering drugs. If you are taking any medications, talk to your doctor before eating avocados. 6. People who are trying to lose weight. Avocados are high in calories and fat. People who are trying to lose weight should limit their intake of avocados. Avocados are a healthy fruit for most people. However, there are 6 groups of people who should limit or avoid avocados altogether. If you are in one of these groups, it is best to speak to your doctor before eating avocados. In addition to the 6 groups of people listed above, there are a few other things to keep in mind when eating avocados. Avocados are a good source of potassium, which can interact with certain medications, such as diuretics. If you are taking any medications, talk to your doctor before eating avocados. Avocados can spoil quickly. If you are not going to eat an avocado right away, store it in the refrigerator. Avocados are a versatile fruit that can be eaten in a variety of ways. They can be sliced and eaten on their own, added to salads, or used in smoothies. By following these tips, you can enjoy the health benefits of avocados while avoiding any potential risks.